Hello everyone, this is Stephen Ong,
And this is Ali, your
your
sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Pasabas Santos, Manila.
Sa kaba
Ay two valid government IDs, proof of billing, kailangan po natin ng business permit at latest 3 months of bank statement. At para naman din sa ating mga OFW out there na nangangarap magkaroon ng Mitsubishi unit, ang kailangan lang po natin is kailangan po si principal is to stay dito sa Pilipinas. Kailangan lang din po natin ng two valid na government IDs at POAA na contract at latest 3 months proof of remittances.
guys, kung interesado naman kayo, kontakin nyo lang kami sa aming mga contact number at mga social media account na makikita nyo sa ating screen. By the way, this is Stephen Ong.
And this is Ali, your sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Pasabas Santos, Manila. And we hope to see you here, clients. Ingat, follow for more. Bye!